Hello viewers, welcome to another video tutorial. So in this video I will show you how you can make a bootable USB pen drive from Windows machine to install the Linux operating system. So here I am selecting E drive. Here you can see the E drive is blank. So now I will go to the browser and search for Linux download. So here I will download the latest Linux operating system. So here you can see 24 popular Linux distributions, so you can download any version if you want on your choice. So here I am downloading the Ubuntu. So first again click here and then take a look, then download. So from download you have to go down first and then click on the download. So here you can see the requirements for Ubuntu latest version. So you can click on download. So it will start the downloading, so it will take some time. So I will pause the video. So after when the download is finished, then I will again come back. So you can see now the ISO file is already downloaded successfully. So now I will use the Rupus. That's a small software to convert ISO to a bootable file. So now I will go to my software directory. Here you can see the Rupus. So just open it, double click on the Rupus. So here you can see the Rupus is available here. So it is asking for downloading the update version. So I am downloading the update one, and then I will open the update Rupus version. So now you can see it's opened. Here the USB drive is automatically detected. So now you have to select the ISO file. Just keep it as it is and click on select. So here you have to choose the ISO file, and here thus for is based on your operating system. Keep it as MBR format, and the target system is BIOS and UEFI. You don't need to change if you do it from MBR or from Windows operating system. And the file system is by default, here you can see it's FAT 32. You can choose for NTFS for Windows. From if you boot your USB drive from Windows, so you can select the NTFS, it's fine. And just give a name of your USB drive and then click on start, and then click on OK, and then yes. So again OK. So it will take some time. I will pause the video now. When it's done, then I will again come back. So you can see it's already ready, and you just need to click on close. Now I will check the status of my pen drive. So here you can see the pen drive is full now with the bootable file. So just remove it and then again flag it again to check the icon of your pen drive. So you will see a change when it's completely bootable. You can see the bootable file and see the icon is already changed. So in the next video I will show you how you can install the operating system.